Welcome to my YouTube channel Bikeverse. Today we are diving into the world of raw power, style and comfort with the 2026 Honda CMX 500 Rebel, a bike that continues to redefine what it means to ride free, built with a perfect balance of old school, charm and modern performance. The Rebel 500 is more than just a motorcycle. It is a statement of individuality powered by a 4711cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, linear power. This machine gives riders the freedom to cruise through city streets or highways with confidence. The throttle response is crisp, the gearbox is slick, and the overall ride feel is pure Honda perfection. The 2026 model takes everything fans loved about the Rebel and elevates it with refined styling. A lighter frame and improved suspension setup, making it one of the most comfortable mid-size cruisers in its class. The bike's low seat height ensures that even shorter riders can easily find balance, while its wide handlebars give full control, and an aggressive stance that makes heads turn wherever it goes. The design language of the Rebel 500 remains iconic, minimalist and edgy, with blacked-out components and new color options that add a bold visual punch. The LED headlight, taillight, and indicators enhance visibility, while giving it a futuristic touch that blends perfectly with its retro-inspired silhouette. The instrument cluster features a digital LCD display that keeps all essential information right in front of the rider, in a clean, easy-to-read format. The 2026 Rebel also brings enhanced rider comfort with a better padded seat and ergonomically optimized foot pegs that make long journeys more enjoyable. The suspension system has been tuned for a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, making it ideal for both solo riders and those who love to travel with a partner. In terms of performance, the Rebel 500 strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency, offering an impressive mileage for its class while still providing enough torque to thrill. Every time you twist the throttle, the exhaust note has been refined to deliver a deeper, more satisfying growl that perfectly matches its rebellious spirit. This motorcycle isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about enjoying every moment of the journey, feeling the wind and embracing the true essence of motorcycling. The 2026 Honda Rebel 500 continues to be a favorite among new riders for its accessibility and among seasoned riders for its customization potential. Honda has kept it simple yet versatile, allowing owners to personalize their Rebel with accessories like saddlebags, windscreens, and custom seats. The build quality as expected from Honda is top-notch, ensuring durability and reliability even after years of riding. With its perfect blend of design, performance, comfort, and soul, the Rebel 500 proves that freedom on two wheels can come in a compact, powerful, and stylish package. It stands as the ideal bike for anyone who wants to express their individuality and passion for the open road. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bikeverse for more exciting motorcycle reviews and updates. Keep riding, stay safe, and embrace the Rebel spirit always.